In this video, I'll show you how to use Napkin AI to visualize your blog post content quickly and easily. First, I'll click on the blank napkin option to open a fresh workspace. Once the page loads, I'll bring in my blog post content, which in this case is titled The 3-Step Framework for High-Impact Digital Content. I'll scroll through the document to review the different phases of the framework. To turn my text into a graphic, I'll highlight the specific steps under Phase 1. Notice how a blue lightning bolt icon appears to the left. I'll click that to generate several AI suggestions. On the left-hand panel, I can now see various visual styles. I'll browse through the different categories such as processes and timelines to find the right look. I'll click into the flowcharts section to explore the specific designs available for that style. I'll test out a few different designs within the flowchart category to see which one represents my content most effectively. Once I've chosen the design I like, I can start editing the visual to match my needs. I'll click on the text to change the font style and select a new color from the palette to make the header stand out. I'll also click the Ungroup button, which allows me to move individual shapes and elements freely around the canvas. Finally, I'll adjust the background colors of the specific boxes to create a clean, professional finish. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Napkin AI to visualize a blog post.